How to change the PIN code in Finary. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Finary and want to change the PIN code used to access the app, first of all open up the Finary application on your device like you normally do and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, after you do that, you'll end up in this page where you'll need to go ahead and click on Edit My Codes under Security. On the next page, click on Edit PIN Code. Enter your current PIN code first, and then enter a new PIN code. Now, confirm your new PIN code by retyping it again. And there you have successfully changed your PIN code in Finary. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.